This is exciting news. The 2003-2004 Detroit Pistons are coming to NBA 2K16. With Chauncey Billups, Richard Hamilton, Tayshaun Prince in his prime, Ben Wallace, the defensive beast, and Rasheed Wallace, the mature version, the championship version, the man that was guaranteeing advances in playoff series. Mr. Ball don't lie. Now the list is at 7 teams of 12. There's still 5 new teams that we don't know about that are making their classic debut. Who do you think they're gonna be? Because the 04 Pistons, this is a big reveal. You know they're gonna save the best for last. So if they're announcing this now, you know something's gotta be cooking. Who's coming later? Who's it gonna be? Who do you think? Let me know who you hope to see coming next. The full 7 teams that have been revealed so far are in the description.